Welcome to the wild Chambal. Chambal River, which remains full of its sweet water for 12 months. Although rainfall is rarely seen in Rajasthan, but there are some areas where there is no shortage of water. And one such district is Kota, which is also known as the City of Education, and is known for the beautiful valleys of Chambal River and the wild animals living here. In today's episode, we will take you to Chambal and the main predator living here, the leopard. Although leopards are nocturnal and hunt only at night, they save their energy by taking complete rest during the day. Chambal Sundari female leopard can be easily seen resting during the day. Sundari guards her territory completely so that she does not have to share her territory with other female leopards. While on one side the female leopard is resting in her territory, on the other side the female leopard is bravely patrolling his territory. And by spraying urine as its mark, it is giving a clear warning to other leopards that this area is mine, and there is no need to trespass in it. Leopards constantly patrol their area and try to find out whether any other predator is present in our area. Due to their hiding qualities, they are not easily visible to nearby prey and people, but their numbers have increased in the Kota Chambal River for the past few years, the result of which is that leopards are seen walking on the steep hills of Chambal. People from all over the country and abroad come here by boat to see the wildlife of Chambal River, and their main attraction is the leopards roaming around in the tills. Leopards always try to improve their hunting skills, so that whenever they hunt, their prey never goes to waste. In this effort he keeps roaming in his area. Urvashi Sharma, wildlife field biologist working on the wildlife of Kota Chambal River, who has been observing and understanding their behavior for many years.
I have been studying their behavior and their daily routine for many years. I have read and heard about leopard in books that it hunts only at night and rests the whole day, but I have found that it is as active during the day as it is at night. Also, only the female leopard raises her cubs, but I have found that apart from the female, males also help in raising the cubs, which I have observed in my study.
They have been seen together only as long as they have sexual intercourse, and this can happen several times a day. And during this time there is also a fight between them, because many times the female is not ready to mate and the male does not like this, due to which they fight. If everything goes well, then after a few months, we will see a full family of leopards, which will also include many cubs. Leopards often like to live alone, and they come close only when they have to mate, and after that they leave each other and go to their own areas. In the next part of Wild Chambal, we will see whether cubs were born as happiness in this couple's family or not.